It's March the 19th, 2024, on a beautiful afternoon at Point Clear, Alabama. We're over near the Grand Hotel, and if you look real close in the upper kind of center, you'll see the skyline of Mobile, which is across the bay there. Anyway, it was a beautiful day, a little windy, a little breezy, a little chilly, but it was still a beautiful day. And I thought I would do a little fly over the area down there at Point Clear. I'm just going to sit back and let you watch this as I fly over that area. Grand Hotel is quite a convention center there. Here's their golf course at the convention center. It's a gorgeous area in South Alabama, across the bay from Mobile. It's a great place to live, a great place to play, or a great place to visit. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button as well. It really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching.